Good morning, I'm your host Hannah.
And I'm your host Allie. And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
Today is Wednesday, April 24th.
Today is National Pig in a Blanket Day.
Today is also Miss West's Appreciation Day, so make sure you tell her how much you appreciate her.
You can find her in the office
or helping out around the school.
Good luck to our sports team since both softball and baseball have games today.
Softball has a home game against St. Paul after school today.
And baseball has an away game at Western Christian. Good luck.
The track team has a meet tomorrow at Tamwata.
Both softball and baseball teams have away games at Scio tomorrow.
Speaking of tomorrow, there will be quesadillas for lunch on the menu.
There will also be a student council meeting at 7:30 in Mr. Salzman's room.
Today there will be SBAC testing during your ELA classes.
Hooray!
Yeah, okay.
On April 30th, Community Night will be held here at CMS at 6 p.m.
I'm interested in seeing how that will go.
Me too.
I think it might be time for the fun fact of the week.
I think you're right.
Did you know that there was a new movie released on Netflix recently?
No, what is it called?
Woody Woodpecker Goes to Camp.
Interesting. So it's basically the sequel of Woody Woodpecker?
I think so.
Well, I think we should announce the character of the week.
Sure. Drum roll, please.
Hey, hey!
The chicken?
Yes.
Okay. I thought that it ate rocks, not hay.
The name Hey Hey actually originates from the Maori language, which translates to chicken.
Wow, that's really creative, calling a chicken chicken.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, just checking.
If you are in need of clothes or hygienic products, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located in the 7th and 8th grade pod.
There is a collection of hygienic products and clothing of all sizes available for a student in need.
These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
Thanks for watching the CMS broadcast.
Stay tuned for next week.
Bye!
Oh. And that was end scene, or is it end take?
End scene.
End scene.